Hi everyone, I'm Nic Brown, pain specialist, physiotherapist and health coach, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about the connection between nutrition and pain, which is a relatively new area of understanding. We'll explore how what you eat impacts your pain and how this intertwines with your gut health, the immune and the nervous systems. Remember, this video is for general information only and is not intended as individual medical advice. So I don't think that diet is a magic answer or a simple solution for people in pain, but I do believe it's an important piece of the puzzle that is often overlooked. So let's start with the gut, with our trillions of bacteria, and you may have heard referred to them as the gut microbiome. We know the gut plays an important role in the immune system. A number of specialised immune cells live there, and the bacteria help train these cells to distinguish harmful from harmless substances, and when they're working well, have anti-inflammatory effects and support healthy immune function. But on the flip side, certain foods or drinks can promote inflammation in the gut, triggering an unhelpful immune response. And you remember back from a previous video that the immune response is closely connected to the nervous system, and through a process of neuroinflammation, which makes specialised cells more sensitive, can exacerbate or wind up pain. So the link between these two systems is important. Poor nutrition, including ultra-processed foods, high sugar items, low fibre choices, think cakes, biscuits, crisps, pastries, pizza takeaway, and even some foods that are packaged as healthy, like cereal bars, can still contain a lot of sugar and can disrupt the gut. And this can lead to inflammation and therefore potentially more pain. Certain drugs, such as antibiotics or chemotherapy, can severely impact the gut, so working to improve this after a much needed course of one or both of these drugs will be important for some. Another mechanism through which diet can impact pain is through nutrient deficiencies, and these are common if your diet isn't optimal. So a lack of B12 can lead to peripheral neuropathy, which is tingling and pain in the hands and feet typically. Or a deficiency in vitamin D can cause widespread joint pain. The gut is also connected, remember, through chemicals and through the vagus nerve to the brain. So if one isn't working optimally, it can negatively affect the other. So stress can mirror its impact in the gut, which leads to symptoms like nausea, cramps, diarrhea, bloating. And then an unhappy gut can really affect our mood. We know that the gut produces a large proportion of our serotonin, an important molecule in sleep, mood and pain sensitivity. So that bidirectional relationship can also impact conditions like depression and anxiety. Now, if we look at excess weight, we know that individual fat cells are also pro-inflammatory. So balancing our blood sugar and our insulin levels are also really key for reducing this sort of low-grade inflammation within the body. And improving that can also help with cardiovascular risk and also conditions like Alzheimer's. So good nutrition, through their impact on the gut, the immune and the nervous system, plays an important role in guarding against this excessive inflammation, which is like turning the volume dial up on pain. So we should be trying to sort of limit our ultra-processed foods, sort of soft drinks, or having a low variety of food, high sugar, smoking, excessive alcohol, and then trying to move to practices like keeping well hydrated, having more whole foods, beans, lentils, whole grain rice, quinoa, oats, eating the rainbow, you may have heard, variety of fruits and veggies, and then your healthy fats like avocados, fish nuts, seeds, olive oil, and it's broadly based on a Mediterranean diet. It's not about being perfect all the time, but thinking about more moderation than being all or nothing. So by understanding the impact that nutrition can have on pain can be a really crucial piece of the puzzle for many people. Making conscious dietary choices and adopting a healthier lifestyle, you can enhance your overall health and well-being. So thank you for listening. Remember to subscribe to the page to keep up to date with the latest releases, or share with someone that you think needs to hear this today. Bye for now.